Hey guys, Casper here again with a flash update. 10 minutes of us going through the four big metals: silver, gold, platinum, palladium, and we will quickly touch the gold and silver ratio. As always, guys, try to follow me on Substack where we try to get the best of the best silver stocks, gold stocks, uranium, platinum, palladium, you name it. But that said, let's dive in. Oh, yes, let's dive in here. So, what's happening? Overall, a really beautiful short-term, mid-term, long-term stuff still on silver. Again, this is our main view at the moment. By the way, I've switched from the 15-minute to the 1 hourly. I think the 1 hourly, 12 candles is fine. Multiply that by four and you have 50. I think 1 hour is good. So what happened today is basically we're back testing the cup and handle ceiling here, and we're now trying to bounce up from that. So silver price still short term, still playing out exactly how we would like it to be, and no issues at all. We do have a bit of a trend line coming up from here, right? That is, rather important, which we could add to the upper side here, something like that, done very, very quickly, like this, maybe even more so. So we're definitely in an uptrend, cup and handle breakout, backtest confirmed now. We Tomorrow we would really love to see that one getting broken, right? The breakout high, you can say there. 39.5. If we can get above there, we all of a sudden we target uh, the 40 again, which is our target, by the way, 40 plus. But then again, we are on for the roots, which we expect 40 to be hit. Overall here on gold, a minor adjustment to the upper trend line. Again, nothing biggie. Again, sometimes, the chart is evolving, but it still has the overall vibe. And that is now we're coming for the pullback here, basically into the splitter of the wedge. And again, yes, we're still targeting 3,740, I think it is. And we could actually see 4K during this whole setup here. You can see that, right? When we do that on top there, we could actually see 4K plus, while the momentum suggests 3,600, excuse me, and 70. So overall, really constructive consolidation for 3 months. Now, soon four. It's going to break out to the upside, most likely. Good. Next on here, we have, before we go, gold and silver. The ratio is coming down still. So again, we are trading below 90, which was our levels mentioning, hey, we're really bearish on the ratio below that. And you can see silver is outperforming gold, which is very important. And we expect that further to be the case. Short-term resistance, though, excuse me, support coming in here. A bit of a rounding double bottom, which tend to have a lot of validity to it. A rounding bottom with potential double bottom. Platinum here overall, I just want to show you the increase in momentum or the angle. Again, look at the angle here of the golden, right? You can see that's the angle. And then it changes, we can see we're starting to make the green, and you can see the angle going up, and then we're into the blue, then we're going up. So you can see the increased angle. Therefore, you know, we have been carving out a huge yearly bottom, and we're now accelerating to the upside, which is very important. So what is happening here short term is that we are within this blue upsloping channel, and you can basically see we tagged it here today, pulling back. So our next goal is to break the golden here, and then we're going to rally to roughly 1,430, give or take. So palladium overall still short term, nothing really bearish to mention. Platinum here, the last one. You can see here again, we are getting to an important here. We need to bounce here, by the way. Otherwise, we lose an uptrend that started it in June 2025. And we have lost the blue here as well. So we need it to bounce here in order for this one to actually continue. Otherwise, we could see it drop down to 1,400 right around here. So yeah, pretty important flag here. And we need that to resolve to the upside. Otherwise, we risk a $50 drop on platinum. But again, the deal long term. When we get a big correction, consolidation period, whatever, then that is a gift, and that is the first pullback after the big breakout, and that's the one typically the big guys they buy into. Ooh, double one. Okay. But again, that is the big four. Have an amazing day, guys, as always. Stay safe. Bye.